Alright, geometry students, we're back this time with a Law of Cosines video. Law of Cosines, what do we need to know in order to use Law of Cosines or the cosine rule? We either need to know two sides and an included angle, which if we look at the triangle down here at the bottom, if we had little a and little c, the included angle would be big B, because it's in between the two sides. Or we need all three sides. Now this video is going to be dedicated just to two sides and the included angle, and I'll come back later with another video about the all three sides. So for law of cosines, here is the rule, and all it does is it takes the same formula and it just reshuffles A, B, and C. But the big key, the thing that you've got to remember most, is the angle that's used, in this case C for the first one, the corresponding side is what everything's equal to. Same for the second one, A and A. Same for the third one, B and B. So keep that in mind. Alright, so let's go. Let's get into this first example here. So we have little b, which equals 13 centimeters. And we have angle A equaling 42 degrees. And finally C equaling 11 centimeters. So we have our two sides, side B, side C, and the included angle A. And the thing we're trying to find, since we have angle A, we're going to be finding side A. And that's why I have that written right here, side A. So we're going to use the formula that has little a and big A in it, which is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c times the cosine of big angle A. And all we're doing is we're just going to substitute those values in that we know. We don't know side A, but we do know side B, we do know side C, and we know angle A, which looks like that. And notice, a squared is over here by itself. There's the variable a, and there are no variables on the right hand side. This makes life really easy. All we've got to do is plug in everything into the calculator. So 13 squared plus 11 squared minus 2 times 13 times 11 times cosine of 42. Once we've done all that, we find out that a squared is 77.46. Now, right here, a lot of students will pause and they'll stop and they think, I'm done. No, you're not. A is not isolated. A squared is. So how do we undo squaring? What's that inverse operation? Well, the opposite of squaring is square root. So we're going to square root both sides. And once we've square rooted both sides, we will end up finding out, so second square root. Now here's a little shortcut on the calculator. I want to use that last number. If I just do second negative, I want the square root of the answer, and that is 8.80, don't forget your units, centimeters. So anyway, good luck with law of cosines, and I'll come back with the next law of cosines video very, very soon.